Cancer, one of the toughest words to hear in the English language. Many people don't think it could happen to them until it does. But what if you don't even know you have it? Some doctors can't even see it under MRIs or CAT scans. Well, a lot of people might not know doctors aren't your only solution. Dogs, that's right, I said dogs, could be the reason you and others survive this fateful disease. Most people I know have a dog, or at least know someone with a dog. With that being said, not only can this speech inform on how dogs can recognize cancer in humans, but also may come in handy to you and your loved ones' lives someday. I have grown up around dogs for my whole life. After learning about this amazing discovery, I researched far into the topic and have come across many real-life examples. There have been many experiments to finding cancer faster and sooner, but dogs may just be the answer. Today we will discuss how dogs are able to find cancer in humans. Then we will discuss which types of dogs are more prone to sniffing out the disease and why. And finally, we will look at what types of cancer are more commonly found through dogs' detection and why. First, I'll talk about how dogs can detect cancer in humans. They can detect cancer in humans for a wide variety of reasons. According to the article, Can Dogs Smell Cancer? By Eric Hassler on September 1st, 2015, if something is wrong in humans, a dog can sense that immediately. Hassler went on to say that sensing changes in humans are key to a dog's survival. For example, if we are sick, then the dog senses your change in caring for them, causing a chain reaction to further their detection of sensing we are in trouble. Dogs can also smell in parts by the trillion. While we have 5 million scent receptors, dogs have 300 million scent receptors, making it much easier for them to smell things we don't even know are there. In the same article, Can Dogs Smell Cancer?, Eric Hassler gave an example to show how well dogs' noses can detect things. Hassler stated, if 1 cc of blood is diluted into 20 Olympic-sized swimming pools, a dog can smell the blood with ease. When cancer comes into play, Hassler stated that humans have been known to smell cancer through the breath at stage 3 or 4, while dogs can detect cancer at stages 0, 1, or even 2. Dogs are also trained to smell cancer. Bomb and narcotic dogs are trained just the same as cancer detection dogs. What they do is they pair the target smell with the reward, making it easier for the dog to find the smell of cancer. They're trained to ignore any other breath not involving cancer when trying to weed out the disease. According to a video posted by CNN on the 3rd of February, dogs can sniff out cancer with 90% more accuracy. That is what makes it so great for having cancer detection dogs, because they work so much faster than other cancer finding technology. Now that we've considered how dogs detect cancer, let's talk about which dogs are more prone to detecting the disease. When asked whether or not they use specific dog breeds for cancer detection, Medical Detection Dogs Charity in UK stated that all dogs are capable of sniffing out cancer. However, most dogs are chosen are ones with a natural-born drive for hunting. The mixture of breeds, labs and working spaniels, are great dogs for weeding out the disease. They're usually the types of dogs chosen for becoming a cancer detection dog. This is what your typical cancer detection dog would look like. This is from an article by Kenny Ostebel on March 9th, 2016. And this is more of a hunting dog rather than a household dog. Hunting dogs are more prone to what they call the carousel approach, which is where they have the dog go around and they have the dog first smell and then the cancer, and then they'll go around trying to detect which plate has the cancer in it, and when they smell that, they get a reward, which makes it easier for the dog to find this. This is an article by Judith Potts on December 4th, 2015. Claire Guest, CEO of Medical Detection Dogs, told CNN that her fox red Labrador, Daisy, caught her breast cancer 6 years ago when she was just 45. She said, "She kept staring at me and lunging into my chest. It led me to find a lump. This lump was deep in her breast, and it would not have been detected until it was very advanced if it weren't for her Daisy or her dog." With that being known, dogs are a great help in finding the cancer before any technology can. Now we'll move on to the types of cancer more commonly found in humans by dog detection and why. Prostate cancer and breast cancer are two common ones. They're detected through exhaled breath in humans and urine samples. The volatile organic compounds in cancer cells are what are smelled out by the dogs. So that's usually why they're more prone to finding certain cancers is through that volatile organic compound. Lung and breast cancer are also another cancer found. According to the March 2016 study titled Diagnostic Accuracy of Canine Scent Detection in Early and Late Stage Lung and Breast Cancer, the authors were able to train common household dogs with food reward-based methods to distinguish exhaled breath samples of 55 lung and 31 breast cancer patients from 83 health controls. This turned out to be efficient and cancer identification was accurate, making it known that common household dogs are can be trained just as well as hunting dogs or types of dogs like that with that food reward-based method. Dogs can detect almost any cancer when trained to do so. Although there is much more research that goes into the study of dogs and cancer detection, this completes our discussion of different types of cancers found by canines. Today we talked about how dogs detect cancer in humans. Second, we talked about the types of dogs more prone to detecting cancer in humans and why. Finally, we discussed the types of cancers dogs are more prone to detecting in humans. There have been many experiments to finding cancer faster and sooner, but dogs just may be the answer. In conclusion, everyone knows cancer is a nasty disease that no one wants to be associated with. However, dogs could be major progress on the path to curing cancer and diagnosing more efficiently with the help of their seemingly impossible scent receptors. Lassie isn't the only dog capable of saving a human's life. This newfound discovery is something that could save more lives than we could ever imagine.